Hi, welcome to the Commercial Gas Engineer channel. Changing a part on this boiler because the pressure switch, the water pressure switch, is in fault. This is the old pressure switch. If you link it out, there's no problem. So it was linked out for testing purposes and then the link removed, and this is the new pressure switch we're going to change. Pump off first. Okay, valve off. Now for this return pipe, got to shut the return isolation. Okay, that's isolated. Isolate another valve just before the pump, before the shunt pump. Monitoring system pressure at the pressurization unit. Also monitoring system pressure just before the shunt pump from the boiler side. Removed connection and attached my own connection. Draining boiler down. Possibility that the valves I've isolated are letting by because I'm seeing my system pressure drop. I've opened up my valve a bit more. Thankfully the boiler is at the highest point in the building, so that didn't take very long. This gauge might be a little bit out. System seems to be draining slowly. Gonna look for somewhere to vent it in order to let out the remaining amounts of water. Got my new water pressure switch ready with washer on top, a little bit of Loctite on the thread, and its washer down here. Okay, that's almost come to a standstill, but not quite yet. Okay, I quickly swapped them over. There wasn't much pressure, so I had it controlled here with my lid. Okay, we got a lead on. Drain off closed. Time to start opening the valves back up. Appears to be watertight. Ensure that it is watertight underneath. This AAV appears to be working. Apologies for the lack of light. Alright, so just venting my pump. And my other pump is over here. Okay, this AAV has finally stopped. Okay, time to close my quick fill. Low temperature hot water pump 2. Okay, I've got my pump on now, boiler on. Okay, let's see what our boiler is saying. Boiler seems happy now that we changed the water pressure switch. Boiler is still going through its proving process, doing all its checks. Lovely. Lovely, we have a flame. Okay, thank you for joining me. Until next time, bye bye bye.